All right, ready when you are.
Okay. If someone told you that when you were to pass away, your family would have to wait a year, two, maybe longer before they could sell your house, access your bank accounts, or settle your affairs, would that concern you? I'm James Anderson with Anderson Law Firm, and today I want to talk to you about what probate really looks like here in South Carolina, because I promise you, unless you've lived it, it's not what you think. Uh, Kind of begs the question, though, what is probate? If you really don't know, I really want to preserve your innocence. That said, probate is the court supervised process of settling your estate after you die. If you own anything in your name alone, a house, a bank account, a car, and you haven't set up a trust or provided for some legal mechanism to transfer it at your death, your family has to go through probate court to legally get authority to deal with your stuff. Uh, the textbooks will tell you that probate in South Carolina takes 8 to 12 months. I need to forget that number. It's possible, but it's probably fantasy. Here in the upstate of South Carolina, Granville County, Spartanburg, Lawrence, Anderson, the reality is probably a year and a half plus. In Spartanburg County, we're routinely seeing 3-year probates. It kind of depends on the county and how much backlog the courts have. Our courts here in South Carolina are overwhelmed. We've had a massive influx of retirees moving here, and the court simply cannot keep up, and so your family waits and waits. And what does it cost? Probate. Well, let's talk dollars because that's really what gets people's attention. Probate in South Carolina involves several layers of cost. First, you've got filing fees to the probate court. Then you've got attorney's fees. And in a contested or complicated state, those attorney's fees can add up fast. You may need to publish legal notices, you may need a formal accounting, and if anyone challenges the will, you're looking at litigation costs on top of everything else. Here's a number I want you to sit with. It's not unusual for probate costs to run 3 to 7% of the estate's value. On a $500,000 estate, that's $15,000 to $35,000 gone, eaten up by the process. Money that was supposed to go to your family. And that's before we talk about the time cost. For 2 to 3 years, your family can't refinance the house. They may not be able to sell it. They're stuck in limbo. The good news, however, is that probate is avoidable. Uh, that's where trusts come in. That's why that's what we do here in my office. When your assets are situated in a properly funded trust, they transfer to your beneficiaries without going through the court system at all. No judge, no waiting, no public record. Think about that. Instead of 18 to 36 months in court, your family can start the settlement process almost immediately. The house can be sold, the accounts can be distributed, life can move forward, such as it is. Now, I know every situation is different, so here's what I want you to do. We've built a free probate exposure calculator right on our website at sclegacylaw.com. You can put in some basic information about your assets and your situation, and it'll show you what your family could be facing if you go through probate. It takes about 2 minutes. It's completely free, and it might be the most eye-opening 2 minutes you'll spend all week. Head over there and check it out. And if you don't like what you see, give us a call. We'll help you fix it. James Anderson, Anderson Law Firm, 228-7808. Thank you.